Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of Python and learning a powerful technique called string slicing. This might sound fancy, but don't worry, it's actually quite simple and incredibly useful. What is string slicing? Imagine you have a delicious pizza. String slicing is like taking specific slices of that pizza, but instead of cheesy goodness, you're grabbing specific parts of text from a string in Python. How does it work? We use square brackets and a special syntax to tell Python which parts of the string we want. Here is the basic format. Start, this is the index of the first character you want to include. End, this is the index of the character you don't want to include, i.e. it's excluded. Step, optional. This tells Python how many characters to jump between when grabbing the slice. We'll cover this later. Let's get slicing. Example 1, grabbing a substring. In this example, we grab the characters from the index 0, the H, up to but not including index 5, the comma. Example 2, taking the last word. Here we use negative indexing to start from the end. -6 refers to the W character, and the colon tells Python to grab everything until the end. Skipping characters with step. Step argument allows us to skip characters. Here we grab every other character by starting at index 0 and taking steps of 2. Reversing a string. Using string slicing, we can create a new string with the characters in reverse order using slicing, a step of -1. String slicing is a versatile tool for manipulating text in Python. By understanding these basic concepts, you can grab any specific part of a string you need. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!